What do I do?
The guy
Okay,
is excited.
I'm gonna spray some. Oh, sorry.
So, what's gonna happen is,
Oh my god, it's sticky.
It's hairspray.
yeah, it's seen some action.
Okay, I'm gonna put some hairspray in here. Mike's gonna cap it.
Okay.
And
Once it's
then-
capped, you have maybe
Is this
take
the-
a few seconds.
Is this the...
No, that's
No.
the spark.
Don't hold it up to your cheek, it might hurt when it kicks back.
Don't touch it.
Okay, what do I do?
So you're gonna
you're good.
go like that, and you're gonna aim it at that bird feeder,
And you're gonna hit
the top
that.
one.
Okay, so try flicking it.
Either
just
one
to
will
see
do,
what it's
but-
like. Okay, that's how much pressure you need.
Okay.
Ready? Don't go until we're capped.
Wait till this is fully sealed.
Okay.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, wait until Mike's hand.
Like fruit. Yes.
Come on. You're good to go. This
Alright.
is live.
And then I wasn't prepared for that.
Hit some over there. Did you guys hear that?
The
Yeah.
You're like, what's going on? Oh,